Hey people, want to learn how to make some orange ice cream? Okay, let's make it out of oranges. First, oranges. Oranges. These are oranges, okay? And some vanilla ice cream. I don't know what the heck that is. Like, all that orangey stuff or something. Okay, and that's it. Okay, mix these all together and you get some orange ice cream. Okay, now I'm finished with the ice cream. Okay, here is the ice cream. See? See? Look at that yummy ice cream. Can you see it's all... Oh wait, what the heck? Oh shoot. That was nothing. But that is good ice cream, isn't it? Yeah. By the way, it's not orange ice cream, it's peach. My bad. Okay, now you know how to make some... Well, you don't really know how to make it. But this is peach ice cream, okay? Okay? So... Bye. Looks like I got the wrong ice cream. It was supposed to be oranges, but I got peaches. My bad.